Geomatics techniques for monitoring the retreat of coastal sandy systems, Somo Beach, Cantabrian Coast, Spain, 1875 to 2017. This study analyzes the dynamics and long-term evolution of a coastal sandy system over a 142-year period, 1875 to 2017, using an integrated approach based on geomatics techniques, including historical cartography, photogrammetry, topographic surveys, and terrestrial laser scanning (TLS). The continuous beach dune system investigated acts as a dynamics and barrier enclosing an estuarine environment, where infrastructure and residential areas are exposed to erosion risks. A wide range of historical and modern data sources were employed, digitized 5-m elevation contours from historical maps 1875 to 1985, photogrammetric flights 1985 to 2014, topobathymetric surveys 1988 to 1993, and TLS data collected twice annually since 2011. Meteorological data 1985 to 2017 were also analyzed to identify storm patterns influencing coastal change. The primary drivers of shoreline retreat were strong winter storms, characterized by wave heights exceeding 6 meters and large tidal ranges. Between December 2013 and March 2014 alone, the sandy barrier retreated by 8 meters. Over the full study period, the shoreline at Somo Beach receded approximately 415 meters. Significant erosive events led to the exposure and eventual dominance of a rocky cliff by 2014. This multidisciplinary approach highlights the value of combining historical and modern geomatics techniques to monitor and understand coastal evolution, especially in the context of sea level rise and global climate change. The continued use of TLS and complementary data sources offers a powerful toolset for tracking and mitigating coastal impacts on human environments. Introduction. Shallow coastal areas with sandy beaches are constantly changing due to the effects of wind, waves, tides, and storms. One such area, El Puntal de Somo on Spain's Cantabrian coast, has been studied using modern mapping and observation tools geomatics to understand how its shape and size have changed over time. This study focused on how storms and human actions, such as the removal of natural underwater sandbars, have influenced the erosion and movement of the coastline between 1985 and 2017. These changes can lead to greater risks of flooding and beach loss. Since this area is important for tourism and recreation, understanding how it evolves is key to planning and protecting the shoreline. The research helps identify the best ways to manage and preserve the coast in light of both natural forces and human impacts. Conclusions. Over the past 142 years, the coastline of El Puntal Beach has steadily moved inland, retreating about 415 meters. Researchers studied this using modern mapping tools like satellite positioning, drone images, laser scanning, and old maps. These techniques help track how storms and other natural forces have reshaped the beach and dunes. Some periods, especially between 2013 and 2014, saw extreme erosion due to powerful storms that caused rapid shoreline retreat. In some places, rocks that were once buried under sand have now been exposed. Although the beach has shown signs of recovery since 2014, ongoing erosion could eventually lead to permanent loss of dunes. The study shows how combining different technologies can help monitor and understand beach changes over time. This research also highlights the importance of tracking storms and sea levels, especially as climate change may increase the risk of stronger coastal erosion worldwide. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.